Hey guys, it's Brenda here with Audio 46. This is my colleague.
Hola, yo soy Hugo de Audio 46 en español.
We are here with CANJAM, and I'm stoked to introduce you guys to some new brands as well as show you guys some of our current favorites. We're going to try and get you some exclusives and what's new going on in 2019 when it comes to gear, and I'm stoked to get started.
Bueno, como ya dijo Brenda, pues vamos a estar checando cuáles son las novedades este 2019 que nos trae el CANJAM. Vamos a ver qué exclusivas nos tienen las marcas y las nuevas marcas que nos están presentando aquí.
Let's go! So what we're really here for with Bill is for him to show us the goods. That's why we're here at CANJAM today. I want him to really be able to tell us about the exclusives for 2019.
Absolutely, and we're very fortunate this year in that we've launched 3 new killer headphones. So last year, of course, we introduced the ADX5000, our new flagship open back, and we also last year introduced the A2DC connector and a bunch of our headphones. This year we've come back, we've used a lot of the things that we learned about in the ADX5000, center mount technology, and then we've incorporated a new headband design as well as an all titanium body.
Yeah, wow.
This headphone is a brand new driver for us. It also uses a permanent repeater. It's a very heavy duty, very solid headphone. But this you can consider this your ADX5000 in a closed back environment. So along with this headphone, this is the ATH AP2000 Ti. We've also introduced a CK2000 Ti, which again uses an all titanium body. It comes with a 4.4mm balance cable in the box, as well as your 1/8" jack connection, as well as this big assortment of ear tips. They're compatible with our Comply partners. And then this, and I'm glad that you want to show it off, but it has this brand new redesigned carrying case. Model in the same lineup, in the same family, is the CM2000. And the CM is kind of a new design for us. We've not really done just an ear monitor, one that sits inside the earlobe. But we see a lot in the industry of trying to go this direction. These will include ear pads, but they also have the same case that come with the CK2000.
So I am here with Peter and Maureen with Beyerdynamics, and we are a huge fan of Beyerdynamics here at Audio 46, and I'm excited to find you guys at CANJAM. I want to ask you about what you guys are focusing on in the new year of 2019, where you guys are going direction-wise and focus-wise.
So we're trying to bring awareness to this mosaic technology, which is kind of like eyeglasses for your ears. Well, what that does is you take a hearing test through the Make It Yours app, and based on the hearing test, the sound is actually personalized to the hearing test results. So you basically have customized sound for your ears.
New to the line is the Lagoon ANC.
This is your newest noise-canceling headphone, right?
Absolutely. So it's the one of the only headphones on the market with sound personalization and active noise canceling. So you can tailor this particular headphone according to your day-to-day listening habits through our MIY app. MIY app stands for Make It Yours. It's a free download, and what you can do is once you get on, the app, it'll measure your hearing. You can take a hearing test. It'll measure your left ear, your right ear, both ears, and create a profile based on how you hear and upload it to the actual headphone. So now you have a personalized headphone.
I'm here with Nicholas from Focal, and he is just going to give us some insight. They have some really great new merchandise out that we're going to briefly talk about, and then he's going to let us know. What are you guys working on for 2019? What kind of details can you give us that doesn't necessarily give too much away, but can give us some more feedback about where you guys are going as a company in audio?
Right, so for us, we started our iron headphones journey 4 years ago, I would say. when we first started the project called Earlier and Utopia. So we are basically coming from a high-end driver design background, and we applied that knowledge and focus on headphones. First speakers and now headphones. Since then, now we have 3 products that are part of the range in the open back design, and we wanted to bring that kind of listening experience into a closed back design, because that was something key for us. Open back is obviously super interesting when it comes to audio performances. Sometimes you cannot really enjoy open back design because either you are in a more noisy environment or you don't want to disturb the neighborhoods and so on. That's why we worked since 2 years on bringing those kinds of open back design drivers into closed back environments. And then we developed totally new drivers technology that came out very recently. Lygia is a good example. We introduced that headphones in October last year. So this was the very first closed back approach from Focal. That one retails for $8.99 and is using the famous Focal dome technology, the M-shaped dome technology we introduced in the markets with Earlier and Utopia a few years ago. Obviously here, since this is a closed back design, we changed the entire driver in terms of parameters and so on in order to match with closed back environment. It's a bit like when you have kind of big pair of floor standing speakers and you want to use them in a smaller room, you have to change many things, and this is what we did. And now, let's say last Tuesday, we unveiled the brand new flagship from the closed back design, which is called Stelia. And here at CANJAM New York, we are introducing those. So for the very first time, you can experience the listening experience of Stelia through 3 different setups. This is our new flagship. It's equipped with M-shaped pure beryllium dome, and here we built an ear cup based on a lot of diffusers built in and absorbers as well. So it's kind of having the perfect room environment, room treatment with a pair of speakers, but built in totally different headphones with Lygia and Celia.
It sounds like you guys really put attention to the detail, and especially like the focal points when you do have closed back earphones on.
Exactly.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Nicholas.
Thank you, Nicholas.
We're here at CANJAM NYC, and as far as why we're here, this has been our bread and butter since we first started, right? CANJAM, the people who come to CANJAM have been our customers from the very beginning. So this is where we belong. Our flagship line, we're featuring pretty much the whole thing here. All of our LCD headphones are available. We've got our new 2 classics, the 2 closed back, the 4Z. Those are some of the more recent ones that we've done that we're really excited about. And then over here we have our Mobius setup. We announced that earlier in the year, last year. Had a whole Indiegogo campaign and all that stuff for it. We've had a lot of success with it. We've gotten a lot of positive reviews from the major gaming outlets out there, and we're just kind of plugging along with that. As far as projections for the future, what we're planning, obviously we're constantly working on new products, constantly, and that includes new products in our flagship line, basically all across the board, and including Mobius as well. From its inception, Mobius has always been regarded as a platform by us. We're breaking into the gaming market with this, but this is really just the first iteration, and from here it's just a matter of what we decide to implement, right? What features do we think are cool? What do we think would, be successful? So, I don't know, just keep an eye out for a lot more from us coming in the next year, and going forward from there.
So I'm here with Philip, and he's here representing RHA, which is also a big one for us working with Audio 46. I'm just gonna introduce you guys because I want him to tell us about the new gear for 2019, where the company's going, but also they have some really exciting Bluetooth wireless planar magnetic driver headphones here. So please start wherever you like, but put us on.
Yeah, no problem. So as you mentioned, we have the CL2 planar here, which is a big deal for us at CANJAM NYC. Came out at the end of last year. What we have is the world's first closed back in-ear planar magnetic earphone. So we believe the smallest that a planar driver has ever been engineered. It's also the first time a planar driver has ever been offered with a wireless solution. So that's in the form of the Bluetooth neckband here, 12 hours playback from that. The housings here are ceramic, specifically zirconium dioxide. It's super durable, such fantastic sonic qualities as well. For a wired option, it also comes with a 3.5mm OFC cable and a 2.5mm silver coated balanced. All the ear tip accessories to get a great noise isolating fit, which is always important for RHA, to make sure you've got enough accessories to make sure you're getting a good experience. It comes with a USB-C cable to charge the Bluetooth neckband, the flight adapter, and then 2 different carry case options, a flight case which is hard, and then a soft pouch when you're taking everything on the move. So CL2 planar, super important for us.
Love my accessories. And honestly, just going back to the option of cables, these are so pretty. I'm gonna bring it back to how important aesthetic is in future technology, because fashion statements, you know? So what else is, where are you guys going as a company for the year?
We're still gonna continue to invest in the latest technology and still be an innovative brand.
Focusing on Bluetooth?
Bluetooth's going to be big. There's obviously a huge shift towards Bluetooth. That's not going to go away anytime soon. We're a company that's come from having a 3.5mm wire. We're still exploring a couple of different options there, but predominantly for us, Bluetooth is going to be big.
Okay, wow, good to hear. Thank you so much, Billy.
No, thank you.
Hey guys, we made it back to Audio 46 here at CANJAM 2019. I've got the whole squad here, and Garrett is going to show us some goods whenever he's ready. So please, put us on. What do you got on the table today?
We have the D8000 final audio running through this nice new Can amp that we're going to start carrying very soon.
Hey, exclusive. Tell us more.
I would love to. I would just need to take a break.